Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I'm so excited. I have finally reached 10,000 subscribers. I have been waiting a long time to reach this goal, and I'm super excited. So thanks to everybody who follows me and subscribes to my channel, watches my videos, and enjoys my content. I appreciate it so much. So now with 10,000 subscribers, what I'm hoping to do this year, I want to maybe expand on my art a little bit, and I was kicking around the idea of possibly trying to find and get accepted to somebody's design team for a company. So that's something I'm thinking about. I'm looking at maybe posting and offering some small classes available through the shop. So I'm looking into maybe doing that. But anyway, I'm super excited. There's lots on the horizon, and I really want to expand my art this year. So that's my goal for 2025. So the first thing I want to talk about is, besides the thank you and the exciting news of reaching 10,000 subscribers, is also that for reaching 10,000 subscribers, I've got a freebie that I'm putting into the shop today, and you'll find that information at the end of this quick video. The other thing I'm putting in the shop is I'm doing a set number 2 of the paper doll collage digital sheets. So I rolled that out in the last video, and I'll put a link to that video here because it shows how to use digitals. So when you purchase a digital, you get these pages, you download them, you can print them on cardstock or paper, printer paper, whatever you want to print them onto. You can make tags, you can use them as focal points in your art journals and your junk journals. You can collage them by cutting them apart. You can decorate them using things like glitter and bows and ribbons, and glue on little dimensional flowers, or maybe gemstones, half-back gemstones, using Nuvo drops, or using glossy accents to make things shiny, like this girl has a pair of glasses, so she's got glasses. That would be darling to take some glossy accents and put them in the lenses of her glasses and let it dry. Then they would look realistic. So in my last video, I showed how I do those kind of decorating things. I won't show that again since you've already seen it, but I will link that video, because if you haven't seen it, maybe you want to see some of those ideas for how to glam these up and make them even more jazzy and fun. I use colored pencils and Neocolor 2. I use Spectrum Noir glitter ink to make things sparkle. I use Unit Posca glitter pens, all kinds of things. I mean, you can just add to these and make them your own, but the purpose of it is that I've created a lot of paper dolls in the past, and I used to sell them. So a lot of these paper dolls were ones that I made physically and then added a hang tag to them, and then sold the actual paper doll. So there was only one available. They were unique and original, and only one person got to have that paper doll. So what I did, I've had scanned images of those files, and I've created documents now where they're digital files where anybody can have them, play with them, print them, put them into their art journals. So here's some of the cute ones. In fact, I don't think I ever sold this one. This one I created and used in my fairy book. This one's super cute, to the button collector. This one went as a gift to someone. So there's just lots of really neat paper dolls. She's a world traveler. This one is the Paris perfume girl. This is a bird watcher with a window with a nest in it, and birds, and a bird nest on her head. They're super fun. So there's fairies, teacup fairies, the shop till you drop girl. And this one it's all about love. This cute girl, I don't think anybody's ever seen that one. That one's original too. So anyway, there are 4 pages, and they're inexpensive, so that's something that everybody can go in and purchase and use in your art journals, junk journals, things like that. So if you liked set 1, which a lot of people really have been so super sweet to tell me how much they loved set number 1. So here is set number 2. I'm rolling out set number 2, and there's more to come. So there's going to be more sets available as we go along. I am putting other sets together, so I'll just premiere them with little videos so that you can see that there's a new set available in the shop. If you don't know how to find the description to a video, to find where the link is to go to the shop to get this or the freebie, underneath the title of any YouTube video, there's a title, and then there's a little short bit of description with a little ... and the word more. And if you tap onto that on your iPhone, your iPad, your computer, whatever it is that you're using, in any way that you're in YouTube looking, that opens up a box that has a description of the video. So in that description of the video, you're going to find all kinds of things, other ways to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, things like that. A place where if you want to leave a donation, you can give me a tip or a donation, which I always, of course, appreciate those so much from the bottom of my heart. So if you don't know how to find it, though, that's how you do it. You go underneath the title, click the more and the ... It'll take you to the description. There will be a link for this digital sheet, a link to the previous video about these paper dolls, so you can go back and watch that if you want to see how to jazz them up and use them in different ways, and how to do collage, because a lot of people struggle with collage, but then once they try it, they absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoy this new set. And now I'm going to talk a little bit about the freebie that I'm offering, and then again to give my thanks. So as a thank you for reaching 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a free digital kit. This is on a lotus flower paper piecing kit. So this is the paper piecing kit. It comes in the download that you get it to a template to make a 9-inch, and this is the 9-inch one, and then you get a template to make the 7-inch. And this is the 7-inch one. It's got petals and leaves, and it's pieced. Let's see if you can see it better. So there it is, pieced. And I did put some fairy paper dolls in front of them. So that's going to be in the shop as a freebie thank you. There's a section in the shop that's for freebies. You just click the download and put it in your cart and follow through like you're going to purchase it. The cost is $0, and then you get the file for downloading this and making this paper doll kit that is a lotus flower. So you're not going to get the fairies. You're going to get the lotus flower kit in 7-inch and 9-inch, not the fairies. But that's a thank you for everybody who follows me and supports me, and that I'm just super excited that I've reached 10,000 subscribers. Go make some art, because art soothes the heart.